Hello students, welcome to today's lecture series on AGM 312 Agricultural Mechanization Study Section 1. The title of today's topic is Introduction to Agricultural Mechanization. Introduction. Machines are generally used to do work on the farm. Various work exists on the farm such as land clearing, land preparation, crop planting and crop harvesting. The use of machine makes such work less tedious, and farmers now find farm work more interesting and pleasant to do. Agricultural mechanization is a special field in agricultural engineering. It is a way of improving farmers' farming operation through the use of machine, implement, and equipment to enhance productivity. This study section brings to focus the usefulness of farm mechanization. Learning outcomes for study section 1. On completion of this study section, you should be able to define agricultural mechanization, discuss the scope and objective of agricultural mechanization, enumerate the merits and demerits of agricultural mechanization. Definition of agricultural mechanization. Agricultural mechanization has been defined in so many ways by different people. Perhaps the most appropriate definition is that it is the process of improving farm labor productivity through the use of agricultural machinery, implements, and tools. According to Food and Agriculture Organization, farm agricultural mechanization is the application of tools, implements, and machinery in order to achieve agricultural production. This can also be operated manually by animal or engine through fossil fuel or electric power. Mechanized agriculture operation can be grouped into two. We have the power intensive function and we have the control intensive function. Mechanization of power intensive agricultural operations such as land preparation, threshing, grinding, and milling is characterized by non-human sources of energy input to replace the human and animal ones required in the operation. The other operation, which is the control intensive function, such as planting, weeding, winnowing, fruit harvesting, requires greater human judgment and mental input in addition to energy. Scope of agricultural mechanization. It is quite true that the Nigerian farmers have low earnings per capita through because of the low yield per hectare they get from their holdings. One of the few important means of increasing the farm production per hectare is to mechanize it. Mechanization in Nigeria may have to be done at various levels. Broadly, it can be done on 3 different levels. 1. By introducing the improved agricultural implement on small size holding to be operated by bullocks. 2. By using small tractors, tractor-drawn implements, and power tillers on a medium holding to supplement the existing sources. And lastly, by using large size tractors and machines on the remaining holdings to supplement animal power sources. Objective of agricultural mechanization. As earlier explained in the definition of agricultural mechanization is aimed at achieving the following objective. 1. To increase efficiency of production. 2. To reduce farm drudgery. To encourage farmers to practice large-scale farming. To increase yield of farm products. To enhance quality farm produce. To reduce farm hazard. To enable farmers maximize their profits, to reduce poverty and facilitate farmers to increase their incomes, thus improving their standard of living. Next, we are going to be looking at the benefits of agricultural mechanization. There are various benefits of agricultural mechanization, such as it increases productivity of land, it reduces timeliness of operation, precision of operations is possible with agricultural mechanization, it improves dignity of farmers, progress and prosperity in rural areas can also be achieved through agricultural mechanization, it reduces drudgery of labors, it reduces loss of crops and food products. The next, we are going to be looking at the limiting factors in agricultural mechanization. There are various limiting factors in agricultural mechanization, such as small and fragmented land holdings, less investing capacity of farmers, lack of trained manpower, lack of coordination between research organizations and manufacturers. We also have agricultural labor is easily available. Then adequate drought animals are available in the country. Then lastly, lack of availability of suitable farm machines for different operations. Thank you for listening.